I'm sure you've heard the news. YouTube growth can be a wild ride. Buckle up for some insider hacks. First up, the Easter egg strategy. Sprinkle hidden surprises in your videos to keep viewers coming back for more. Think of it as your channel's secret sauce. Next, don't just aim for perfection. Try those small improvements. Tweak one thing at a time, like titles or music, and watch your channel blossom. And hey, ever wondered about the magic of off-platform promotion? Share your videos on social media and blogs to reel in new viewers. Then there's the emotional roller coaster. Add a dash of humor or inspiration to keep your audience glued to the screen. Finally, the show don't tell. Use visuals to bring your story to life, Pixar style. So are you ready to supercharge your YouTube journey? Dive in, try these strategies, and watch your channel soar.